How to contact ASOS customer service. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to contact ASOS customer service. So basically what you have to do is open the ASOS app onto your device. And here, what you want to do is you just want to make sure to tap the menu from a left hand side corner of the screen. Over here, you could find help and FAQs, right? You could go to this link and it's going to directly take you to the web page. You could either go ahead and select the FAQ topics as well, or if you have any sort of issue, you could go ahead and tap onto the search bar, type in your query, and you will be able to find the link, or you'll be able to find the solution as well. If this is not helpful at all, you could also scroll down and you could find contact us at the very bottom of the page, which you want to open that up, and here you could go ahead and tap onto start chat, and this is going to help you out. The automated generated message or some sort of AI is going to help you out. So you could simply go ahead and type in your query, a request, and you could also ask for a contact number if this isn't helpful. And that is how you're supposed to contact ASOS customer service. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.